araw na to. Sana nga ba ako? Yeah, so kahit, alam mo minsan-minsan, ang maganda lang kasi sa Pilipinas is, may laging may araw dyan. Kaya kahit anong mangyari, masaya ang Pilipinas. Masaya tayong mga Pilipino kasi lagi tayong naaarawan. Which is that scientifically true. Physically, sunlight brings happiness, diba? Oh, salamat naman Rina at at nakakagaan ako ng loob para sa iyo. And with that comment that makes me really happy. Kasi yun naman talaga ang purpose ko sa page na to eh. Kaya ginawa ko tong page na to kasi I'm slowly building yung yung tawag nito, yung empowerment, not only for women, like also for men. Kasi kailangan din ng mga lalaki na to build confidence on themselves. Kasi minsan na-insecure tayo eh, di ba? Stella Sisuka Velasco. Hi, salamat naman. Salamat naman. Thank you so much. Lan Ochia, welcome. Yeah, so true, di ba? Kahit tingnan mo si Christian. And in-encourage ko talaga lahat ng, nandito si S-Work, Tiad. Sherwin, welcome to my live. Paminsan-minsan lang tayong nagla-live, but it has to be worth it, diba? So, kaya nga, in-encourage ko talaga yung mga tao, yung mga followers ko, and I'm not here para, hi Jessica! Salamat sa hi Sherwin, how are you? So, page ni Papa, show bawal negative. Yes, tama. That's why I like Papa J. Kasi nga, and actually like, I was actually on his page as well. Pinopromote niya rin ako. But, kasi nga, very positive siya. And I want to be able to share this positive energy to my audience, sa mga followers ko, sa mga ka-curvis ko dyan, you know, kahit nga hi Zenny! Happy New Year, Sherwin. Kahit nga minsan, just kasi may dito sa isang, hi Marife! Meron dito nag-mention kanina na malungkot yung Christmas niya. Pero sa totoo lang, dapat na bawal daw ang mga, yung mga ganyan, mga GIF. Kasi daw nakaka-block daw yun ng live. Diba? Sino may yung admin ko, sabi niya sa akin. Kaya, Madam Zen, bawal maganyan. Pero anyways, kasi pag walang kalungkutan yung buhay, wala rin kasaya, hindi mo ma-appreciate yung saya. Diba? Kahit nga dito sa even dito sa akin, I'm just sharing a story na malungkot din, 'di ba? Kasi I grew up in the Philippines and half of my life is here in Canada. Pero I'm always longing to come back. Kasi nga I always remember na masaya yung buhay ko sa Pilipinas. Although I grew up really poor. As in like very poor, and a lot of people here in my thank you, someone sent me a star. Thank you, Christian, that is very nice of you. Zenny, stay home alone, Christmas day alone. Oh my gosh, Zenny, you should have hung out with us on Friday. But anyways, back to our life story, diba? Mahirap din ako. I grew up in a really poor family. Pero, masaya, kahit ganun, masaya din ang Pasko. Yun ang gusto kong alalahanin lagi. 'Di ba? Yung makasayahan. Pero, it doesn't mean na you stick to that. Like, masaya ka lagi, pero you also have to progress your life. 'Di ba? By working hard, by looking for something better para sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Kasi, ganun naman ang buhay eh. We're progressive. I stay at home. Kung masaya ka always, mapapansin mo, masaya din ang nakapaligid sa'yo. Tama yan, Rina. You're learning, Rina. Tama yan. And I'm glad na you're learning. Diba? Kasi, that means, hi Hi, Sonam, Tianli. Kumusta ka na? Hi, how are you? It's good to see you. Yeah, it's good to see you, Sonam, Tianli. Diba? So, kahit gaano minsan, iniisip mo wala kang na-achieve sa buhay, pero just keep going. Just keep moving. Like, always set a goal. You know? True yan. Pag, basahin ko nga itong, ni Christian, kanyang comment. Kasi, tingnan mo, ang dami kong natutunan talaga sa inyo. True yan. Pag nasa Philippines ka, masaya. Pero pag nasa ibang bansa ka, ay pag hindi masaya, maraming kulang. Exactly, di ba? Although, dito sa, let's say sa Vancouver na lang, hindi mahirap pahanapin ng pera. But, hanggang doon lang, di ba? Although na, kaya nga ito, alam ito ni Kuya Tony eh. Kuya Tony, si Anthony Pyongyang Ortega, ang haba naman ng pangalan mo dito, Kuya Tony. Taga Cebu rin siya. You know, we make the most of it nang habang nandito tayo. Marami, nag-event kami. What's going on here? I can be a better version of myself, you know? I can be dito, I will like, tagpiin ko yan, ilalagay ko sa vlog ko. Okay, so, yes, of course, Azel, I hope your Christmas is bright and as your smile as well. Diba? So, but anyways, so tandaan nyo to ha, yung mga ano ko dito, yung mga kaka-berks ko dito. Ako din sa kasi hindi natin alam kung sino tayo, 'di ba? Unless someone would tell us. 'Di ba? In a nice way, 'di ba? Dito na tayo magmarites. Sige, marites natin yung mga sarili natin, 'di ba? Marites, it's better to it's better to make marites of ourselves than talking marites about other people, 'di ba? Kasi if we talk about ourselves and how to improve ourselves, mas natututunan, may marami tayong natutunan, mas gaganda pa yung sa buhay natin, mas gaganda pa yung sarili natin, 'di ba? So, gisingin mo pa yung iba. Merry Grace Kuangko noon habang ano ba? Tapos notify sa nakakatuwa to sa April. That's right. So, kung magmarites tayo, dito tayo kasi yung pag-usapan natin kung paano natin mapaganda yung mga sarili natin, di ba? So, Zen, focus how to listen and be sure na accept mo. Tama yan, tama. So, and also like, I would say, yes, we desire, like, meron tayong desire about, other things, you know. Hi, Lizelle, welcome to my live. Comment kayo dyan, kasi para matutunan naman kami, sa inyo din. Hindi lang, ako, I'm sharing my insight, yung mga alam ko, yung mga experience ko sa buhay. That's why I'm telling you this, kasi I have experienced all these things, di ba? Feeling ko maganda rin ako habang nanonood. Hoy, maganda ka, Farah, ha? Sa totoo lang. Good vibes lagi. Tama yan. Iwasan natin ng toxic. Kasi yung toxicity, yung toxic, nakakapangit yan. Di ba? Lalo na yung if you're surrounded with toxic people as well. Yung hinahayaan mong palibutan mo yung sarili mo ng mga toxic people. Nakakapangit yan. Kasi you know why? Nasi-stress ka eh. Nakaka-stress ka. Di ba yung pinapakinggan mo lagi yung buhay-buhay ng ibang tao, you know? Maganda ka rin, April Joy. Yes. Boost your confidence, di ba? So, kaya ito nang gawin nyo ha. Every morning, gawin nyo to ha. Tapos mag-post kayo sa sa group natin, sa Curse is Passion group, doon sa ating community na, I woke up today, beautiful. Gawin nyo yun ha. Gusto ko makita yun na, yun ang magiging habit natin. I woke up today and I'm beautiful and I can be a better version of myself, you know. I can be better than who I am today. Gawin nyo lagi yan sa sarili nyo. Every morning, di ba yung anong ginagawa natin every morning? We wake up, of course, we have to wake up. But also, hi, Elsen, Beauty inside and out. Yes, tama. So, beauty inside and out. And also, yes, tama yan ugali. Tama yan, Zenny. Kasi, kahit gaano kaganda yung panglabas mong mukha, yes, people will get attracted to you if you're beautiful on the outside. But, if you're always like maldita and not appreciative and just bullying other people, then you're not beautiful, 'di ba? Hindi ka maganda. So, kailangan it has to be both. Like, it doesn't have to, like, ang definition ng beauty on the outside is nasa tao yan eh. 'Di ba? So, kung may magsabi sa yung pangit ka, then sinong nagsabi sa iyo? Who are you? Who are you to tell me I am pangit? You know, parang ganun. Because only you and yourself can identify who you are. And don't ever believe what other people tell you against you. 'Di ba? So, wag kayong magpapatalo dyan. Like, wag kayong magpapatalo sa mga sinasabi na negatives ng ibang tao about sa'yo. Hi, Eileen Lumuntad. Hi, Liza P. Rivel. Queenie Obaaban. Tell me, guys, where you're from. Para naman makilala ko kayo kung taga saan kayo. 'Di ba? So, sabi nga na April Joy, dito kayo sa mga tao, palibutan nyo yung sarili nyo ng mga tao na actually lift up sa inyo. Hindi yung drag kayo pababa. 'Di ba? So, and I know it's very common sa mga Filipino culture, popular culture yan eh. Na, just like I said, nakakapangit yung mga toxic people. 'Di ba? Kailangan lagi kayong masaya. Hindi, just like yung malungkot, but normal lang yung pagiging malungkot. Pero, the more na malungkot kayo, the more na stress out kayo, pag ina-allow nyo yung sarili nyo na papalibutan kayo ng mga tao na nakakasira sa inyo, na nakakababa ng inyong spirit, nakaka-lose your self-esteem, 'di ba? Alagaan nyo yung self-esteem natin. Kasi, yun ang panlaban natin sa buhay. Yun ang, yun ang panlaban natin sa buhay eh. Huwag kayong magpapa-ape. 'Di ba? Kasi, alam mo yung mga movies, dito ka na. Always smile every kissing. Tama yan. Tama yan, Aizel. So, tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko sa pangalan mo, Aizel? Hi, Daisy Ren. 'Di ba yung, tama yan. So, every morning, ito gawin nyo talaga to ha. Ano ko naman ulit, alat ko na, wake up in the morning and look at your face, yourself, your whole self in the mirror, said, I am going to be a better first person today. I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am smart. I can make this. I can do this. Parang ganun. Give yourself a tap, na kaya ko to lahat. Bigyan man ako ng problema. Ay nako, yung problema, part yan sa buhay. Ganon, accept talaga natin. Totoo, very uncomfortable pag may problema tayo. Hindi komportable. 'Di ba? Nasasaktan tayo, nakakaiyak, mga ganun. Pero pag once na-solve mo yung problema na yan, 'di ba? Big celebration and the feeling is amazing. 'Di ba? We can do this, guys. Yes, we can do this. Aizel. Tama, okay. So ngayon, actually, the reason din nag-live ako dito kasi kapag gising mo, harap sa salamin, say thanks to God. Tama yan, Darlene. Denny Basilio, tama yan. Tiwala lang sa sarili, yes. Importante yan. Tama yan si Darlene, you see? I really appreciate you guys of sharing your thoughts here. Kasi we learn from each other. 'Di ba? So you have to remember na pag once isang kaibigan mo, or someone that you treat as a friend, pull you down, let go na. Let go sa taong yan. Kasi, hindi na maganda sa iyo eh. Hindi na maganda sa buhay mo. Kasi wala nang ibang tutulong talaga sa atin in a most genuine way. Is yung sarili lang talaga natin. Children, be yourself lagi. Don't need to pretend, please anyone. Yes. You're welcome, April Joy. Yeah, so, ayun, dito, kaya nga, meron akong, hi, Nars, how are you? Si Nars yan, taga Vancouver yan. True, lumayo tayo sa mga toxic people. Tama yan. Kaya nga, nagpa-photo contest ako. And I really wish na maraming sumali. But anyways, this is my first photo contest. So, maybe next time you guys join. And I encourage din yung mga lalaki mag-join din. So, nagpa-photo contest ako. Actually, I posted it here sa Facebook page ko. And also sa group natin, sa ating community group, Curves Fashion, Games, and Entertainment. Stand on your own feet. Hi, Lizelle. Hi, April Joy. Miss you, ate. Oh, Risa Lastimosa. Hi, welcome to my live. So, sino bang nagsumali? Yan, na-sponsor press ko, photo contest. Thank you. May nag-sponsor ng ating photo contest. So, next photo contest, Zen, mag-sponsor ka ha. Si Zenny kasi, yan siya very, din siya, philanthropic din siya. So, she's also part of my women empowerment collaborator, you know. So, from Sipalay, Negros. Ilonggo. Ilonggo, Kagaliuran. Kabalo manggid ko mag-Ilonggo din. Sino nanalo ng photo contest? So, sino iasa, ko mamaya? I-announce ko mamaya. Kasi I'm gonna do an hour live ngayon. Kasi nga, na-miss ko na kayo guys. Kaya, magwa 1 hour tayo. Thank you, Gang. Generous talaga tong kaibigan ko. You know? Lizelle, Elsin, so, I did a photo contest kasi, hi, Olimar, Daisy Mansa, you're the 21st. Admin, Merry Christmas. Morsha, Negros Occidental. Ilonggo Kagali, Rena. 21. Nars, Merry Christmas, Nars. How are you? So, i-announce ko mamaya, mga in few minutes, i-announce ko yung winner ng ating photo contest. Pero, next time, on my next photo contest, i-encourage ko lahat na mag-join. Kasi, maybe look at the mirror again. Mirror is our best friend here. Tanungin mo rin, ba't ako mahiya? Diba? Like, why? Who cares what other people say? But I am proud of myself. You know? Ganon. Hello inyo tanan, mga Ilongga. Mga Ilongga dira. Kumusta na kamutanan? So, kaya nagpa-photo contest ako. That's why I did a photo contest. Because I want everybody, I'm encouraging everyone to actually embrace yourself. But, with a twist, diba? So, to be able to fully understand na, to be fully confident, magiging stylish ka rin. So, you have to put an effort. Wag ka lang, okay, I'm very confident, I look at the mirror, okay, I'm good, then, hindi ka nagsuklay, hindi ka nagsipilyo, parang you don't put any effort, walang ka effort. Diba? So, mag-effort ka. Yun ang importante. Kaya nga, marami tayong tools, di ba? In the morning, you look at the mirror, yay, I'm beautiful. I am very proud of myself. And what am I going to do? Anong gawin ko ngayon para maging much better person pa ako? Ganon. Di ba? So, kaya nga, yun, na-encourage ko yung photo contest. Kasi, I want you guys to be stylish. At ngayon, actually, kasi bago pa lang ito, proud Bisaya din ako. Proud Ilongga din. Proud Ilongga man ako. And also proud Bisaya pod ko. Lahat tayo maganda at nilikha ng Diyos. Totoo yan. Hi, Marie Andrade. Oh, you're very lucky, Ora. Kasi alam ng husband mo na maganda ka. Diba? Ang gusto niya maging confident ka kasi sinasabihan ka niya lagi na maganda ka. Diba? God created all things bright and beautiful, so be proud of. Exactly. Tama yan, Aizel. So, pero, kaya nga, nagpa-photo contest ako kasi gusto ko na be proud of yourself. Ipangalandakan mo yung sarili mo na, ako ito, maganda ako, pero magbigay ka ng effort din. 'Di ba? Kung, I encourage everybody to, all the women, if you can afford makeup, kahit hindi ka mag-makeup, magpulbos ka, wash your face, do some maintenance, alam mo na, yung mga skin routine nyo, gawin nyo lagi. Kasi, alagaan nyo rin sarili nyo. It's one way of taking care of yourself. Yung nag-e-effort ka, na alagaan yung sarili mo. Kasi minsan sabihin natin, oh, yeah, look at the mirror, maganda ako, ganyan-ganyan. Pero, hindi ka naman nag-effort na i-maintain mo yung sarili mo. Diba? So, yes, tama yan, Zenny. Groom yourself. And style. I-style mo siya. Style yourself. Be fabulous. Like, do something about yourself. That's one way of being grateful about who you are by actually putting an effort. Mag-effort ka to become a better person better version of yourself. Yes, ako kahit nasa bahay lang, nakatuck in and all that, I wanna look. Yes, tama yan. Kudos para kay Mare Andrade. And Rica Montenegro, welcome to my live. So, tapos ngayon, Nij Elcap, welcome. Penderson Hazel, welcome to my live. So, yeah, so always make sure you put an effort din. Diba? Kasi, it's just like relationship. Sabihin mo, oh, mahal natin ng isa't isa. Pero, sometimes love is not enough. You actually have to put an effort. The same is true with taking care of yourself. You're beautiful. God gave you a beautiful self. God gave you an intelligence. God gave you a heart to love. But also, make an effort to be a better version of yourself. Every day. Araw-arawin nyo. Hi, Eileen. Yeah, like, araw-arawin nyo. Like, gawin yung routine talaga ito ha, mga ka-curvies ko, mga ka-fashionista ko. Gawin nyo to ha, and I'm gonna do another, I'm gonna encourage you guys to post sa ating Facebook group na, hello everyone, I'm beautiful and I'm gonna be a better person of myself. And then, sabihin nyo, I'm gonna put makeup today. Kahit wala akong lakad. Di ba kahit si Heart Evangelista, kahit walang lakad yan, nagbibihis yan. Kasi she loves herself. And loving yourself is like the most beautiful thing you can do for yourself. Hi, Nera. Kumusta? At alam ng mga kabarkada ko dito sa Vancouver na yan, alam nila na lagi tayong we groom ourselves. We put an effort to groom ourselves. Ako naman, nung nag-anak ako, sabi ni Elsen, medyo nagkaayos tapos medyo chubby. Kahit chubby ka, you know, kung hindi ka chubby, ito noon, yung bata ka, that means hindi ka talaga chubby. But, you know, as we grow older, medyo nagkaka-chubby tayo, nagkaka-gain tayo ng weight. Ako, I gained 20 pounds. But we have to also make an effort to stay healthy. Diba? Just be healthy. You don't have to be a bikini body kung according sa standard ng mga magazines. No. Standard nila yan eh. But we don't have to follow the standard. We create a standard on ourselves. Diba? Merry Christmas, Day. Yeah, so wag niyo i-follow yung standard ng society na itong dapat maganda or something. Just take care of yourself. Just put an effort. Make an effort to be better version of yourself. Kung feeling mo chubby ka, then maybe for health reason, do it for health reason. Medyo i-lessen natin yung pagkain ng mga unhealthy food, kagaya ng mga matatabang karne, or mga junk foods, mga ganyan, or mga wine, yung mga, gano'n, alam ko, I don't know why I mentioned wine, kasi yan talaga nakataba sa akin. Pero, just be happy, and like, I think, kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi sa anak ko na, the reason why I want to be healthy is because I love the people that surround me. I love my family. And I think that's the best thing you can give to your family is to take care of yourself as well. Kasi pag nagkasakit ka, sino ang magsasuffer? 'Di ba? Yung mga anak natin, yung mga kasama natin sa buhay, yung mga husband natin, yung mga asawa natin, 'di ba? So, in order for you to show them how much you love them is you take care of yourself. Be healthy, be beautiful, put some makeup on, brush your hair, put a nice shampoo, put some kind of perfume na makakaano sa'yo. Just be better, 'di ba? Beauty define no size, you are beautiful, you're all. Exactly. Kung may nagsasabi may nagsasabi man sa'yo na chubby ka, okay, then the opinion na yun. You can tell me, well, that's your opinion, that's not my opinion. 'Di ba? So, Jenny Vanessa Lanorias, welcome to my life. Grabe motivational, madam. Yes, thank you so much, Nelo Mahilio. So, ngayon, in the next few minutes, i-announce natin. Nag-send sa akin yung admin ko. But I'm gonna pick. So, there's few people na nag-join. And I wish next time sasali kayo ha. Encourage ko kayong lahat, sumali kayo. Magpo-photo contest ulit tayo. And encourage ko lahat na sasali kayo. Doon ko malalaman talaga kung may natutunan kayo sa mga sinishare ko sa inyo. Mag-photo contest tayo, pero be stylish. Gawin yung maganda yung photo nyo. Be the best version of yourself. Hi, Beth! Kumusta? Okay ka na? Opo, sasali kaming lahat. Tama yan. Sumali kayo. Huwag kayong mahiya. Kasi, kung mahiya kayo, sabihin mo, bakit ako mahiya? Tanungin mo sarili mo sa salamin. Itong babaeng ito, itong lalaki, itong mukhang to, nakahihiya? Hindi. Hindi yan. Hindi tayo nahihiya. First time na panood to live, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Magla-live ulit tayo. Promise. So, ano na ba? Sana ba tayo? That's good topic to cover with lesson and kanin. Parang healthy. Yeah. So, kasi, totoo yan, lalo na tayo mga Filipino, we love to eat. Ang sarap kayang kumain, di ba? Pero minsan, ang katawan kasi natin can only take so much. And kahit ako, I love to eat. I don't even know, like, saan ko nilalagay yung mga, but like, nafe-feel mo kasi minsan yung tiyan mo parang lumulubo na sa kabusugan. Pero alam mo, hindi pala dapat natin busugin mas lalo yung ating tiyan. Kasi hindi rin maganda sa katawan natin. It's not healthy, di ba? Kung minsan nakakalosyang kahirapan ng buhay. Totoo yan, nakakalosyang, but kasi minsan napapabayaan natin yung sarili natin, 'di ba? So wag nating pabayaan. Kahit marami tayong anak, like make time. Kailangan may oras ka talaga sa sarili mo. Yes, rice is life. Pero alam nyo ha, yung rice, kailangan 1 cup a day lang. I know, or maybe 3 cups a day. Kasi kung nasa Pilipinas, 3 cups a day, 1 cup each meal. Kasi dito sa Canada, malamig, wala masyadong araw. So, hindi masyadong nagmi-metabolize kasi yung araw nakakatulong sa pag-metabolize, 'di ba, ng pagkain ng yung whatever you're eating. So, pero dito kasi sa Canada medyo malamig. Although dito sa Vancouver hindi kalamigan naman talaga, yung taga north lang malamig. Pero sa Pilipinas may araw lagi. Thank you, Nera, for sending stars. Pero at least kung kakain man tayo ng marami, we enjoyed it. Pero mahal natin yung 'di ba mahal natin yung sarili natin. So we have to i-moderate lang. Kasi mas ma-enjoy natin kung kainin natin ng medyo slowly lang, tapos namnamin natin, yung pagkain, ganyan. Kasi minsan pag nagugutom, my gosh, gutom ako. Kailangan ko kainin lahat to. Pero tapos ngayon, oh my gosh, Berna, wag. Kasi pag nabusog tayo masyado, sumasakit na yung tiyan natin, 'di ba? So para ring pinaparusahan natin yung sarili natin, yung health natin. So kaya konti-konti lang, konti-konti. And then, yung ano naman, yung mga vegetables, importante yan. So, yung rice, lang, kunti-kuntiin lang yung rice. Kasi alam ko the reason why we're eating rice as Filipino is because we want to get filled up. Kailangan mabusog tayo. Pero hindi pala maganda yung sobrang kabusugan. Hindi maganda rin. Kasi, hindi maganda sa tiyan natin. Kung pwede lang sisigaw yung tiyan, tama na! Pwedeng sisigaw na yan, no? Pero, tawag nito, basta is part. So, part ng yung self-care routine is yung, in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror. Thank you, Lovely. Follow nyo si Lovely, ha? Si Lovely Gamaw. Paki-follow lang. Kasi ano yan, maganda rin yung page niya. Very positive din siya. That's why she's here sa page ko. And also, so ito, lista nyo to, ha? When you wake up in the morning, look at yourself in the mirror. Today is gonna be a good day. And I'm as beautiful as I am. I'm gonna be what am I gonna do to be a better version of myself? I'm gonna stay healthy. I'm gonna take care of my skin. I'm gonna wear makeup today. I'm gonna dress up. I'm not gonna be losyang, you know? Kahit mahirap lang ako, hindi ako magpapalosyang. Maliligo ako, malinis yung susutin kong damit, magtatakin ako, nakachinelas lang ako, malinis yung chinelas ko, di ba? So kahit tama yan, thank you so much, April Joy. Kahit may palaro ako dito mamaya. But anyways, kasi tama yan, kasi yung ang purpose talaga ng page ko is I want people to feel good about themselves. Kasi maraming tao na na-insecure to the extent na bakit ako na-insecure, di ba? So balik tayo sa topic na yan. And I want people to be happy. If you're happy about yourself, kahit anong status ng buhay natin, masaya tayo. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Di ba? Hi, Jericho Mariano. Meron naman tayong lalaki. I'm glad. Sige, keep coming. Kasi, kahit mahirap pa tayo, kung masaya tayo about ourselves, about sa sarili natin, masaya tayo. Yun ang importante sa buhay. Kasi marami ako with my job. I'm an accountant, by the way. And I work in a like a manufacturing company, and I dealt with multi-millionaires. Hindi sila masaya. They're always stressed out. 'Di ba? Nasi-stress out sila lagi kasi nga hindi nila they don't take care of themselves. They don't look at the mirror and say, "Oh wow, I am actually a good person. I'm actually a beautiful person. And I can do and I'm a loving person." Hindi nila kinakausap yung sarili nila. Kasi the moment they wake up, trabaho na kaagad, papayaman na kaagad, 'di ba? So, yun. So anyways, loading ng live. Dapat pala magpa-game din ako about yung mga but anyways, just